We have with us Radhika, who is a first-time voter and who has come to Villa Teresa High School with all the enthusiasm to vote and who's just voted for the first time in your life, right? And you study over here. How is the feeling, Radhika?
So I'm honestly elated at being able to get to play such a massive role in ensuring that the leader I believe in so much gets to be up there and support our nation through everything that it goes through. And I've been following the whole political system of India very closely ever since I could, honestly. And I'm just so glad that I could play my part in doing what I could do today. And I honestly hope that the best candidate wins and the people of this nation get what they truly deserve. Thank you.
So Radhika, what do you expect from the government? You voted for the first time. What's your wish list?
So, as a student of psychology and economics, I think that apart from the economy that's doing really well, I also want our nation to have the sense of pride that comes with being an Indian. I want our nation to go back to its roots, which are just so rich in terms of culture and heritage. So that's what I really, really want for. I want that there's the sense of brotherhood and unity that fosters within each and every soul that votes today. And I just want for love to be felt within this nation, which I think is already happening with all the rallies and everything that's happening today. And I also hope that the government continues in progressing with its ideology, because if you go to see India internationally at an international forum is doing so incredibly well. Our international ties with so many nations is just working so well, and I hope that our Prime Minister continues to do so, and I want the nation to know that I support you and I thank you so much, PM Modi. Thank you so much for doing all that you've done for us today. Thank you.
You made your debut today as a voter. We wish you all the best.